Today we will learn section tag by which we will be able to show different type of information to our web page in different segments. So let's start. Hey guys, what's up? Hope you are doing well. I am Vishnu Datto. Welcome you again to a tutorial. So let's start. First we have to go search bar. From here I am opening text editor. Any text editor is allowed. So if you are using Windows, Linux, Mac, any operating system you are using right now, you have to open a text editor. Windows has Notepad and Mac and Linux has also text editor. Okay, so I am using text editor. If you are in Windows, then you have to open text editor. So I am clicking on text editor. Okay, our text editor is open. Now what we have to do? We have a blank document. It's called digital paper, like our physical paper. In physical paper we can write anything by pen, but in digital paper we have to write anything by keypad or keyboard. Okay, so what I am doing right now, I am just creating, I have to create a canvas. Or before I create a canvas, I have to increase this font size, otherwise you will not be able to show what I am writing here. So I am just zooming and it's almost 300% zoom. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to create a canvas. Or for creating a canvas, we first have to create a HTML tag. So I am creating a canvas by HTML tag. So we know in HTML rule, if we create a tag, then we have to close a tag except image tag. So it's a canvas setting tag which is HTML. Now we have to close this HTML tag. Okay, HTML. Now we have closed HTML tag. Now what we have to do? We have to do something good. So we know in HTML canvas we have two sections. We must have to use these two sections, which is head and body, like our body, like us, like we are human, like this. HTML also is human. So we are just drawing a human in our digital paper, which in our canvas. So HTML starting to finish this canvas. Now we are creating head and we are also closing head. Our head is closed. Now we have to create a body. I said we are drawing a human here. Yes, we are drawing. We have to close a body. So we have created human head and human body. So in this head, this is rule. If we create a HTML canvas or HTML page, then we must have to use head and body. So it's a common. So head and body is property of HTML tag. Now in this head, we have to give it a name. We can give its name title, title, title. Yes, we have give title. Now if we use title, then it is used for name, for creating name. So what we can give, we have to set a property of title tag. So we are creating that our section tag, ACCTION, section tag. So we just provided a name to our web page, which is section tag. So title tag is used for giving name of a web page. Okay, title tag is used for giving a name to a web page. So we have just it, and we just show section tag. This section tag is property of title tag, and this head tag is property of, and this title tag is property of head tag, and this head tag is property of HTML. Okay, now we have complete our head. Now we have to go body tag. Okay, I am just going to body tag. In this body tag, what will we do? We will know that previous tutorial we created head, header, main, footer. So we are doing same thing. So ACADER header. We have to close header also. ACADER header. Then we have to close, we have to get main main main, and then main footer. So I am creating for FOOTER footer and slash FOOTER footer. Okay. So we have set header, footer, header, main, footer. These all properties body. So this is a simple structure of body tag. Okay, and in this, and we can use this structure to create or give or gather lots of information to our web page. So what we have to do, first we have to set a JSON. We know that JSON give us page, JSON give us good rank to search engine. So it's a, you can tell it's optimization. When we are using JSON, then we are optimizing our web page for search engine. Okay, so I am giving JSON and also closing JSON. Okay, we have closed JSON and create JSON. Now what will we do? Now in this head tag we can say that, what we can say, we can say we are learning the we can say that section section tutorial. Okay, and we can also, this is what, this is, you can say it's a heading. Okay, now in main section we can, in this main section what will we do? In this main section we will set section. Okay, so we can set CTION section. Okay, and we have to close this section, ACCTION section, ACCTION. Okay, we have done. Now what will we do? Then in this section we will set a H2 tag and P tag. Okay, H2 tag, and we can set it's a first section. We can say it's a first section. Okay, it's a why it's going to wrong, FIR is the first, say TIO section, it's a first section. Okay, now we can give P tag here also. We have created FIR is the first section. Okay, we have said first section. Okay, we did it, and it's so, if you know, funny for us. Hope you are enjoying it. Enjoying it. Okay, boss. Okay, so this is our first section. Like this way we can create different section. Okay, so what we are doing, just copying and pasting, and this is our second section. We can write here SEO. In the second section we have created the second section, and it's so funny for us all. Just we are adding some extra information for differentiating this with first section. Okay, hope you are enjoying it. Okay, friend. Okay, guys, GUIs. Okay, guys. Okay, now if I save it by going to 3 and from here I am clicking on save as and giving its name 14 tutorial. F-O-R-T-H, fourth, T-W-N-T-H, 14 tutorial.html. Okay, if I save it, okay, we have saved it. Now we did not set anything here, footer, so we have to set some footer which will be looking good. Okay, so what can I write here? I can write here a p tag here. Okay, p tag, also closing p tag and giving and copy, copy. What's going on? Copy ESK record tutorial, and if we save it, then what will happen? We have saved, and let's go to our document folder where we have saved it. Now I am in 14 tutorial, 13, 14. Where is 14 tutorial? I am not seeing anywhere. Yes, I got it, 14 tutorial. Now if I right click on it, I will get different type of option. So I am clicking on open with and selecting Firefox. No, I am not opening it with Firefox. I will open it with Google Chrome. Just select it and click open it. Okay, so it's looking so good right now. See, I said you it will be good, and it's divided different type of information in body section. Okay, so this is heading, and it's in header section, and these all are main section, and these all are footer section. So header, main, footer, and this is JSON. So JSON is in header section, and it's H2 and it's p tag. So these all are in where? These all are in main section. These all are in main section. Okay, these all are in main section, and this is footer section. In this main section, we have created two sections, first section and second section. And in this second section, in this first section, we have created H2 and p tag, and also created second section and added its second section H2 and p tag. So this is a very simple. Okay, now see, now let me little minimize it, so you will be able to understand what I have did here. So first I created HTML and also close this HTML. I have also closed this HTML tag. This means we have created canvas, and in this canvas we have created two tags. It's head tag and another is body tag. Okay, this is body tag. Starting to finish is body tag. Okay, let's go pause right now. This is body tag. So body tag and header. In this header tag we have set title, which is used for creating a page name. So we by this title tag we can give any name to our page. So we have set it, and after that we in body section we have created three tags. We know the header, main, footer or help us to represent data or display data to our web page perfect way. So we have created main, header, main, footer. In this header tag, in body section, in this header we have set JSON heading, and we have closed this header. This is header is completed. Then we have created main, and later we have created footer. In this footer we have created p tag, paragraph tag, where we give a tutorial copyright notice. And this main, and in this main section we have created two sections. In this main section we have created the first section and second section, and in this first section we have created H2 tag and p tag. Okay, and in the second section we have created H2 tag and p tag. So it's very simple. So hope you have understood it very well. If you don't understood it or understand it, please give us your comment. Give us your comment to our video comment box, tutorial comment box. And if you like this tutorial, please give us thumbs up by clicking on like button. And if you dislike, please click on dislike button. And if you have any opinion of which can improve this tutorial only, then please give us your opinion to our comment box. And if you did not join us with first tutorial, then go to this tutorial playlist, which is, just let me show you, youtube.com/ekar tutorial. And from this tutorial you have to go playlist, and from this playlist you have to click master web development, your path to building a stunning looking website, beginner to pro. Just have to click on it, and from here you will get first to last full web development course, totally free, which is totally amazing. It shows almost 10k, means huge money, and we are giving it to you free. So enjoy our tutorial. And if you want this code, just go to which tutorial code you want. Like you want to go this tutorial code, so you just have to go video description section, and in this description section you will get a link like this. Okay, resources, ekar tutorial HTML header section. You have to just click this link, by clicking this link you will be taken to another web page, and from this web page what will you get? You will get code like this. Okay, you get like this code, and you can do it, and you can also learn it from here too. So this is section, and section you will get this code like this, and you will get all this tutorial code here. So don't worry, just stay with us and let's see where we can go, where we can take you. So we are just closing this tutorial, and today's tutorial is just finished. We have finished it very well and enjoyably. So if you enjoyed, please give us thumbs up. And if you already did not subscribe to our channel, please click on subscribe button and bust it. It's a subscription is totally free. Okay, and if you already did it, then so much thanks. Have a good day. Keep coding, keep practicing, keep building extraordinary something which can change the world. Have a good day. Tada, bye bye.